Hi, so it's brooder cleaning day for the chicks in their little tank brooder, well, big tank brooder. I'm going to use the old brooder tote that I had to transfer them into as a temporary spot. If one of them hops out, lucky I just have 6 to manage, so I'm gonna just track it down. I'm in the garage, everything is sealed off, all the doors are shut. So it would just be a little bit of a wild chicken chase. But hopefully they can stay in here. It shouldn't take me long to scrape this out. I have a bin for it. A bin for their dirty shavings because I'm going to dump that in the garden as compost. And we'll just till that in. And then I'll put down fresh bedding and fresh hay over the top. Okay, so let's take off my window screen top that I have right now, which doesn't even cover the whole tank. All right, now we're going to transfer our chicks. It's interesting to see which breeds are more docile already. Definitely the bravest ones are the Wyandottes. The most friendly and easy to the easiest to handle have been the Buff Orpingtons. And no, the barred Plymouth Rock have been the most outgoing. The Buff Orpingtons have been the easiest to handle. And then the Wyandottes have been the most skittish. It's interesting. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out their feeder, their new roosting bar that I made from our old one. Just zip tied some stuff to it. So their water, their feeder, the roosting bar. But they did use it. I zip tied a piece of leftover railing stuff to our old little bitty roosting bar because they're getting bigger, a lot bigger. Okay, now I think I'm gonna tip this up and see what we. I have my handy dandy kid shovel. It's not bad. I'm gonna try and leave some of the sawdust in here, actually. Because the hay layer is the dirty layer right now. The rest of it looks really good. A couple of wet spots, not bad. The wet spot is from the wet spot's from the water sitting there. Generally, this looks really good. Okay, so I have sorted through and gotten that top layer of hay off. I've kept as much of the initial wood shavings on the bottom as I could because I don't want to waste them. I just picked out the wet spots. Everything else looks really good. And then I'm going to add the next layer of our old hay, or you could use straw, would be ideal, but this is what I have and it was free to me. So I'm going to add that layer down next and then put the chicks back in. Like this Buff Orpington was so calm that she wasn't even paying attention to what I was doing in there. So I startled her. And yeah, and that's all good. And they're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No escapees so far. All right, I'll refill the food and water a little bit more and they'll be set again for at least another week.